Alright, so in order to connect to your RAVPN headend from your Android mobile phone Cisco Secure Client, any Connect application, you need to go to the Play Store, download this application and install it. Once you install it, click on it. This is the page you're going to land on. And once you land on this page, click on Connections. And at the bottom right corner, you see the plus button. Go ahead and click on the plus button. Give it a description, and then go ahead and give it the server address. And then go ahead and click on Done. What is the server address? The server address is going to look something like this. Okay, and you'll get it from the dashboard, so not a problem there. And then go ahead and back on this page, once you've saved it, go ahead and toggle this button which says Any Connect VPN disconnected. So I'm going to click on that and try to connect to the RAVPN headend now. So it's going to ask me for the username and password. I'm trying SAML, SAML. Okay, so I'm going to say my password. Okay, let's see if I'm able to connect or not. Click on sign in and then say yes, for example. Well, you do not necessarily need to say yes, but anyways, it says connecting and connected. Perfect. There you go. That's how you do it. And if you want to take a look at the logs, click on these three vertical dots and then go to diagnostics. And then here, the second last option for logging and system information, you can click on that and get the logging information. If you're facing any problems, just share those logs with the support, and they should be able to assist you further. If you have any questions, you know where to put those. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great time ahead. Goodbye.